In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Boost Mobile personal hotspot on iPhone. First, you will need to click on settings here, and then you will choose this option for personal hotspot. Once you click on that option, make sure allow others to join is turned on, and you have the option of also setting a Wi-Fi password if you want to. And right here, how this is going to work. Basically, you will have created a personal hotspot with Boost Mobile, and other people will be able to connect to your personal hotspot as they would to any other wireless network. There are other methods of connecting as well. As you can see, you can connect using Bluetooth and you can connect using USB, but the easiest method will be connecting as you would to a Wi-Fi network, and that is basically how you set up a Boost Mobile personal hotspot on iPhone. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.